Hi, I'm Jeff Wagoner, president of WM Law. You have to use credit to build credit, a truism about rebuilding credit after bankruptcy. One of the best ways to do that is to get a secured credit card shortly after your bankruptcy with a bank that will report your payment history to the three main credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. By reporting to all three credit bureaus, your credit will improve significantly once you have established a good record of making on-time payments. The problem is that not all banks offer these types of credit cards, and those banks that do are often located somewhere far away and charge a lot of fees. Recently, though, we found a local bank with a great secured credit card program. I really like having a good relationship with a local bank that you can go visit in person, as it's a huge advantage to have a bank officer that knows you by name. The way a secured credit card works is that you open a savings account with a deposit, and the bank will grant you a credit card with a credit limit of the same amount you have deposited into your savings account. You must pledge your savings account as collateral for the credit card, and you can't withdraw the funds in the savings account until your account is paid in full and the credit card is closed, or the bank determines it no longer requires the collateral. If you default on paying that credit card, the bank can take the money in your savings account to pay that bill. You must be very wary of the fees that the bank charges to open a secured credit card account, though, as it can be significant. The local bank referenced above just charges a $25 annual fee, and that's very good. If you'd like more information on the secured credit card program we recommend, please contact us at 913-422-0909. We have a flyer and the forms you'll need to get a secured credit card account open with that bank. Please note that we receive no compensation whatsoever for endorsing this program. We're passing along what we believe to be a good deal that will benefit our clients. You can also visit our blog at www.kansascitybankruptcy.com for more information. At WM Law, we are here to help.